dear children, welcome to the online science class. So, my dear children, I hope you are fine and you are safe. So, I hope you have completed copying the notes. So, in the previous class, we have completed up to chapter 3, right? So, today we are entering into a new chapter, chapter 4, air and its uses. Okay, so what is air? What do you mean by air? Yeah, from the air only we are breathing, right? With the help of we are getting oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and so on, right? So, what are the uses? Okay, so how it is useful for us, and how it is useful for the atmosphere. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn some important thing and which is general thing. Okay, so take your textbook. We will enter into the chapter. Okay, so first, okay, so water is also an essential thing, right? Air, water, land and food. Okay, these are the essential thing, right? So along with water, air is also essential for a living thing, right? For a living thing to live on earth. Okay, so air is a mixture of gases, okay, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Not oxygen and carbon dioxide, it contains nitrogen, so many things, right? So we are taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, right? On the other hand, plants taking carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen, right? So if there is no air, we can't able to live on the earth, right? So in Mars, so in all the planets there is a lack of air, right? Lack of oxygen and carbon dioxide, so only we can't able to stay there. Our earth is the only place where our air is available, right? So earth is covered by a blanket of air known as atmosphere. A blanket of air is called atmosphere. You all know about atmosphere, right? So atmosphere is made up of so many layers, right? There are so many layers in the atmosphere. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the layers. Okay, layers of atmosphere. First, layers of atmosphere. What are the layers of atmosphere? It is divided into 5 layers. How many layers are there? 5 layers. What are they? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere. Okay, what are they? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere. So mark it in your textbook. Okay, these are the important one. 5 layers in atmosphere. I'm reading once again, read along with me. Okay, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere. Okay, so first one is troposphere. Okay, so troposphere is the first layer on the earth. Okay, it is the first layer above the surface of the earth, above the place where we are living. Okay, it extends up to 7 kilometer to 17 kilometer. Put a line below the sentence. It extends from 7 kilometer to 17 kilometer above the earth. Okay, weather changes happen in this layer of atmosphere. Okay, weather changes happen in this layer only. Weather changes happens. Okay, for what's the first layer? Troposphere. Okay, so it is above the surface of the earth and it extends up to 7 to 17 kilometer. So weather changes, whether it is sunny or it is cloudy, or so this layer will determines the climate of the area. Okay, so the next one is stratosphere. See, this is the troposphere first. So this is the place where we are living. So the space here is troposphere. Okay, then second one is stratosphere. Okay, above the troposphere, stratosphere is there. Okay, above the troposphere, and stratosphere outlay is what we call as ozone layer. So this stratosphere's outer layer we call it as ozone layer. Okay, so what we call the stratosphere outer layer is called as ozone layer. So mark it, ozone layer. Okay, so ozone layer, what is ozone layer? Stratosphere's outer layer. Okay, so we all know that what's the use of ozone layer? It prevent from UV rays, right? It prevent from, it protect the air from harmful UV or ultraviolet rays. Okay, so airplane, so the air jet. We all know aeroplane, then jet airways. So these will travel in the stratosphere. Okay, this travel in the stratosphere. Okay, in the troposphere only there is a climate change, but in the stratosphere there are no climate changes. We understand up to this much? Okay, stratosphere is the ozone layer. Okay, so this is the stratosphere. Do you understand? Okay, we will move on to the next one. Mesosphere. The next one is mesosphere. Okay, so mesosphere has its name. Why it is called as mesosphere means, meso means middle. It is in the middle of the atmosphere. Okay, it is in the middle of the atmosphere. See, above two layers there, below two layers there, and the middle is mesosphere. Okay, middle one is mesosphere. So meso means middle. Okay, meteor showers are seen in the layer of the atmosphere. Meteor showers means, what is meteor shower? See, in some movies we can see they will show that in the atmosphere there are so many rocks which is moving here and there, and so many rocks will coming to fall down on the earth. Have you ever seen that rocks are falling from the atmosphere? Have you seen that? So that layer, so these are in the that layer. So meteor means the piece of rock that we can see. What that movie, I forgot about that movie. One movie it has shown clearly about that. Okay, what movie? Some English movie also. It's not an English movie, some scientific movies also you can see that meteor shower means the piece of so many pieces of rocks are coming down on the earth and they are falling down. You can see that. So that's are in the layer of atmosphere. So these are in the mesosphere layer. Okay, so meso mean middle. Okay, so do you understand this? Okay, the next one is thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere, the layer of the atmosphere above the mesosphere is called thermosphere or ionosphere. Above, so it is above. Okay, one layer above, one layer above. So this layer's temperature is very hot. Okay, this layer temperature is very hot due to the sun rays. Okay, sun's heat. Okay, so radio waves are reflected from the ionosphere. Okay, so radio waves, okay, in this ionosphere only radio waves get deflected. Okay, reflected, so which helps in transmitting radio, TV program. Okay, so through from this from this layer only the radio signals go back and reflect it and come back. Okay, this layer will act as a mirror for the radio waves. Okay, reflecting mirror for the radio waves. Okay, do you understand up to this much? Okay, the next one is exosphere. Okay, so the exosphere is the topmost layer and it is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. What's that uppermost layer of the atmosphere? Exosphere. Okay, which fades in the outer space. Okay, so satellites will be in the exosphere. Okay, whether satellites, communication satellite. So this so where the satellites are present? In the exosphere. Okay, in the exosphere only the satellites are present. Okay, human made satellites went to the exosphere. Went to that, it will be in that exosphere, right? So for getting some information only they are sending some satellite for Mars and so many places, so it will be in the exosphere. Okay, so what are the 5 types of layers of atmosphere? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere. Okay, do you understand up to this much? Okay, the next one is composition of air. Okay, how composition means how it is made up of, how how many types of gases are there, how many amount it is there. Okay, so there are different gases. Okay, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, and so on. So many gases are there. What are they? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, and so on. Okay, first one is oxygen. So what's the use of the oxygen? We people, human beings are breathing oxygen, right? Living things. So oxygen also help in the process of burning. Okay, oxygen will help in the burning. Okay, so if the if there is only oxygen in the air, inflammable thing like that matchsticks, then crackers, so many inflammable, then kerosene, petrol, it catch fire easily. Okay, because oxygen help in the process of burning, right? So this inflammable substance, easily fire catching substances will catch fire immediately. Okay, so this is the oxygen. Then next one is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is used by the plants to prepare food, right? So that process is called photosynthesis, right? So it is the best agent to put out the fire. Okay, put out the fire means oxygen help in burning, carbon dioxide helps to out of burning. Okay, so when used to put fire, it create a non-oxygen environment. Okay, so that fire extinguisher is there na, so inside the fire extinguisher carbon dioxide will be there. Okay, so if there is no oxygen, carbon sorry, if there is fire, the carbon dioxide will help us to switch off the fire. Okay, put off the fire. Next one is nitrogen. Okay, so nitrogen is essential for the plant growth. Okay, so though gas is present in the air, plants take the nitrogen from the soil. Okay, it is present, although it is present in the earth, it takes from the soil. Okay, so nitrogen also helps in putting out the fire. It works similar to the carbon dioxide. Okay, then other components of the air. So air has water vapor, in the formation of water vapor, in the formation of cloud, rain, dew. Okay, so other traces, methane, helium, and so many types of gases are present. Okay, so in the air, 78% of nitrogen is there. Okay, 78% of nitrogen is there, and 21% of oxygen is there, and carbon dioxide is 0.03 percentage. Okay, other gases is 0.97 percentage. Okay, nitrogen is 78 percentage, oxygen 21 percentage, carbon dioxide 0.03 percentage, and other gases are 0.97 percentage. Okay, so do you understand up to this much? Okay, so we will learn the remaining part of the lesson in our next class. I will send the notes today. Copy it in your notebook. If you have any doubt, we will discuss it in the Zoom interaction class, or you can call me or you can text me. Okay, so you're completing your works regularly, right? So you're sending the note your work to me. So please send the notes before 7 o'clock or before 5 o'clock. Okay, I can't able to reply after 7 o'clock because it's my personal time. You should consider that. Okay, because it's personal time, I have some work, right? So please send before 7 o'clock, or if you are not able to send before 7 o'clock, next day you can send. Okay, morning to till evening you have the time to send. So before 7 o'clock send the notes to me. Okay, so start to learn the lesson. So start learn the first chapter. Okay, learn the first chapter. In the next class there will be a class test. Okay, I will send the notes to questions to you. You should answer the question, write in a paper and send to me. Okay, so learn chapter 1. Okay, it's a class test for you, so learn chapter 1. Okay, no need to learn the question answer. Learn the one word, choose the correct answer, filling the blanks, match the following true or false, and read the question answer. And I will ask the one words from inside the question, and read the book inside important words. Okay, there, so only one words for the exam, so read carefully. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Take care, bye bye, thank you.